TV.
It was not my fault. These people just showed up. It would be really good for the convent.
You're supposed to be hiding out. Remember the bullets flying through you?
Louie, hi Louie, what you doing?
Okay. Hey, I'm worried about you. I don't want to see anything happen.
Okay. You gonna come to the show?
Yeah, I'd love to. Hi everyone.
Louie, do something cute.
Yeah.
Zoe wants to open something first.
This is to you from Grandma and Grandpa.
Okay.
Bring me the presents. That's what Zoe's saying. No. See, look it.
We've been using the same tags for the last...
I know, you need a scissors. That's for you from Grandma and Grandpa. Maybe a scissors knife or something.
Can we go at the same time?
Yes.
I thought that was just for the baby.
Sure.
Oh, let me go get a garbage bag.
Ah.
Oh, look. Oh, I like it.
Oh, look, he got the same kind.
Uh-oh.
Did they pick this out or did you buy it for them?
And what does Zoe think? More toys.
This is to you from Grandma and Grandpa.
Well, they just went all out, didn't they?
That's okay. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, is that what did that's something else they give you? Wait, can you put the bag like in the middle? So
Huh?
you don't-
We're not throwing paper at you?
Oh, I thought you were telling me to stop recording.
Oh, yeah. Done.
Looked like she did it.
Triumphant baby. Yay, Zoe!
Oh, look. She made that.
Wow.
I
It's
know.
like Raggedy Ann.
She's unbelievable. My sister's unbelievable.
That's better than Raggedy
She made the
Ann.
whole thing by
Clothes and
hand?
everything.
Oh, really?
The doll
Yeah.
too?
She's got a lot of
Yeah.
time on her hands.
I
Is
think-
that thing on?
Is that thing Hey, Zoe. That's a cute picture. What a cute baby.
Zoe's Maximus revels in another victory.
Zoe is Maximus.
Make her do that roar thing.
And then
Another present has been slain. Nothing ever complains.
Yeah, this one is for you.
That's kind of cool too.
Yes, it is.